All right, working on my front license plate bracket. I lost all the original screws. They were long gone, so I had to buy a new kit. So you've got these plastic inserts. Okay, one each goes, one here, and then one here, and then a third one on the bracket itself. So screws in here, and then also on the bumper here. So when you go to install it, the bracket goes up on top. So like that. So let's get these plastic inserts in. Alright, one. Two, and these are pretty hard to get in. You really got to push on those suckers to get those suckers in there. Alright, and then we'll get things screwed on. Alright, there you go. And for the back, there's no bracket for the back. Again, there are these little plastic clips. And you've got a clip here and one there, and they've got I believe these are bumpers. We've got a bumper here and a bumper here. All right, here we go. I thought I had the bumpers in a package somewhere. I could not find them, so I may have to buy some, but I believe that they're about a half-inch tall, kind of dome shape. And I got my license plates here, so I'll install those later. But there's also clips that go here, and I think I got those. All right, there we go. So that's it for the license plates installations. I got the bumper in, rear bumpers, and we're good to go, man. That's it.